In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to only certain pages in Word. This quick and useful technique can make your documents look professional and tailored to specific needs. So, let's dive right into it. Firstly, open up the Microsoft Word application on your computer. If you haven't already done so, make sure to navigate to the document you want to work with. Once you have your document open, take a moment to decide which pages you'd like to add a footer to. This is important because knowing your target pages will help you execute the steps smoothly without interruption. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This ribbon includes a variety of options that let you add different elements to your document, such as shapes, pictures, and of course, footers. Keep an eye out for the header and footer section. Now you'll want to click on the Footer button. When you click on it, you will see a drop-down menu presenting several preset footer styles. You can opt for any style you like, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's select a simple option, which you can customize further if needed. Once you select your preferred style, navigate to the particular page where you want the footer. Here's a useful tip. To apply a footer only to certain pages, you will often need to use section breaks. So, scroll to the page before where you want your footer and click at the very end of it. Then, return to the Layout or Page Layout tab, depending on your version of Word. Within the Layout tab, locate the Breaks option and click on it. From the drop-down, select Next Page under the Section Breaks category. This action creates a new section on the page you've targeted for the footer, allowing you to make changes affecting just this section and not the entire document. With your section set, go back to the footer by double-clicking the footer area on your desired page. Ensure that Linked to Previous is deselected. This step is crucial as it breaks the linkage between the sections, thus ensuring any changes you make affect only your selected section. Now, input your footer content. This could be text, a page number, or even a simple line. Lastly, repeat the section break and footer insertion process for any additional pages where you want a footer. Remember, using section breaks is key to applying footers selectively. Once satisfied with the layout and content, go ahead and save your document. And there you have it, a tailored guide to adding footers to only specific pages in your Word document. This skill can greatly improve the organizational structure and professionalism of your documents. Thanks for watching and happy document editing!